Hey girl, hey! Oh my gosh, I miss that so much. I haven't said that in a minute, you guys. It almost made me like emotional saying that. I've had some of you guys bring it up to me like, why don't you say it anymore? And the reason I stopped saying it, or I don't say it as often anymore, is because, you know, I would get the comments like, well, boys are watching you too. And I just want to let you guys know that I never intended for that to be sexist in any way, or saying like that only girls are welcome to my channel. It's something I said just to say it, you know, like, hey girl kind of thing, because that's just like me. I welcome boys, girls, cats, dogs, anybody to my channel with open arms. And to be honest, I feel like I let the comments get to me. Also, you know, some people think it's cringy. Like, I'm sorry. I might just start saying it again though, because I miss it, and that's literally such a big part of me. Like, I don't know. It sounds dumb, but it is a big part of me, and I do miss saying hey girl hey. So hey girl hey, what is poppin', y'all? Today I'm doing a slime review on popular slime shops. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure to click that like button, and without further ado, let's just get straight into it, boo. I got some slime from 3 different shops, and I'm excited to show you. So the first one we got is from Slimeshadyshop. 2 slimes, 3 slimes. So we got all our extras in here, and I'm assuming like care sheet and stuff. Ooh, okay. Oh, these are so cute. I love these. We got a mini squishy. Okay, this is adorable. What is this? This little fruit. This is so cute. This is adorable. Where do you even get this at? We got our candy. Okay, this is the care sheet. These are the slimes. They're very well packaged. All right, the first one is Fruit Loops Cloud. I freaking love, I'm sure I've mentioned this before, I am obsessed with Fruit Loops scent. So any slime that is Fruit Loops related, like, I'm all in for it, honey. Okay, that is an amazing cloud. I could already tell, you know when you put your fingers through the cloud slime, you already know it's bomb when it feels so thick and dense. Those are my favorite. This is a thick cloud slime. I like the thick ones because they don't leave a lot of residue. Can I just say, I always have people tell me in my comments every time I'm reviewing slime that I'm so extra and that I'm exaggerating. Y'all, honestly, if anything, I'm like trying to keep cool in this video because I'm just extra in general, okay? Like, dang, I'm sorry, but that's just me. Next up, we got Twizzlers Butter. Okay. This is definitely Daiso, I can tell. Not only by the like smoothness of it, but also the color. Like, this is exact like the red. I don't know, I could tell it's the red Daiso. This smells freaking amazing. Like, this smells like legit candy, like actual Twizzlers. Oh, and it comes with a cherry charm. This is so cute. It literally took me a few weeks to unbox this because I was waiting on the other boxes, so this sat the longest. And I'm actually surprised because I thought I would need activator. I thought they would be melted. Last but not least, from Slimeshadyshop, Hawaiian Punch. Okay, I'm excited about this. Is that a crack? I can't tell. But nothing oozed out like at whatsoever. I went ahead and activated this, and this is definitely a thick one for sure. And that is it for Slimeshadyshop. I'm honestly so impressed that these have been sitting for weeks and they're so good. This one was the only one that was a little bit melted, and that's because it was sitting for a while. But she is thick, honey. This is a bomb shop. I can't wait to buy from them again. Let's get on to the next one. Next package is from my good friend Slime City, Carly. Oh, honey. Oh my goodness. No, she didn't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slimes. This is all I got from Carly. And this is, I believe, for the Frappuccino slime. A borax baggy slime care sheet candy. A note that says everything that I got. Hey boo, here's what's included. The first ones we're gonna open are the Soda Shop bundle. Wow, I can't talk. So this is grape soda. This looks bomb. Whoa, this smells so good. I went ahead and activated this a little bit because it was a little bit sticky. This is definitely a full-blown foam. I'm living. It smells so good. Ooh. She looks thick. So this is Orange Crush. I went ahead and activated it a little bit. She's definitely thick. Next up, now the butterscotch and the Coca-Cola butter look kind of similar. So this one's darker, so I'm assuming it's a Coca-Cola butter. Okay, this is definitely the Coca-Cola, I just smelled it. This is so smooth. It smells so much like soda, like legit Coke. Okay, queen, I see you. So soft, so spreadable. Her butters are literally magical. Next up, we got Strawberry Soda Cloud from the Soda Shop bundle. Oh. Ooh, she is amazing. Smells just like strawberry soda pop. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. This is so smooth. So these are from the Soda Shop bundle. They're honestly freaking amazing. I would definitely recommend these. Next up, we got the Caramel Butterscotch Frappuccino. I feel like this can smell so good. Oh, this smells amazing. Carly is a butter slime goddess. Oh my gosh. Next up is blueberry cheesecake. Whoa, thick, 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 I can just tell. Oh my god, I can't get over this one. Okay, my favorite one so far, for sure. It's so thick and creamy and just, This is her melted popsicle butter. Oh. This is a very soft butter and it smells like cherry. I'm living for her butter slimes. Next up from Carly is her winter candy apple. This did leak a little bit, it looks like, but it still has a lot. It's not too much of a leak. I actually have this slime of hers and it's like my favorite thing in the world. So I'm glad that I got a fresh batch. I just gotta activate it because it did melt. So crunchy. And it smells exactly like the winter candy apple like from Bath and Body Works, which is amazing. I love this one. I know I'm not gonna stop playing with it. Like, I'm literally gonna play with this until it's super dirty. This was like my favorite one ever. And that is it for Slime City. I met Carly at my tour actually. She was a special guest and she is so amazing. I am obsessed with Carly's slime. They're always either thick or super like spreadable. Her butter slimes are everything, and usually, I don't know if it's all of her slimes, but every slime I have ever played with from hers is literally so thick and so amazing. Carly, I love you. You're slime slave. Next up we got Scented Slimes by Amy. Oh, this is really good packaging. Whoa! Girl, no you did not. She really sent me the magic eraser for jelly cube slime. Oh my gosh. Whoa. I also got this starfish. It's a squishy. This is so beautiful. Extras. Charms. Okay, I see you. And then the carrot sheet, some candy, and then a really cool magnet. So this is the slime, and I also got some the activator, which is amazing. She calls it the fix. The first one we'll open up is this one. It's called banana milk, and I was mostly excited about this one because banana milk just sounds like a good glossy slime, you know. Anything with milk in it, you know, it's gonna be thick usually, so I'm super excited, and I just love banana scent. Oh, she is thick. I see a charm. Oh, it's a monkey. It's a little monkey. It definitely smells like banana. I feel like it has another scent in there, some kind of like fruity cantaloupe. I can't put my finger on it. It smells so good. Next up we got Kaleidoscope. I am so dumb. How do you say this? But this is so beautiful. I had to have it. It's a clear base slime. I'm assuming it's not scented, obviously, because, you know, it's super clear. Usually when you put scent, it does make it a little bit like foggy. Okay, this is what I mean, that I'm like shook right now. The fact that this is a clear based slime and it didn't melt. This is so pretty. I'm so impressed. This is such a pretty slime. Like, you go, girl. All right, let's do a cloud next. Let's focus, honey. This is Nutter Butter Fluff. And her clouds always look so amazing. Whoa, this smells bomb. Like, the smell is so strong. I knew it. Her clouds are bomb, dude. They're so thick. I could tell already. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yes. Cloud Queen, honey. I knew it. They always look so good. They're definitely thick. I like this a lot. Smells so good. Next up, we got another cloud, and this is Heartbreaker. Oh, it comes with a heart charm. This smells good. It smells like the red hot candy. You know what? I think they bleed a little bit, but I think they're meant to do that because it looks really good when it does it. I like it overall. Oh my gosh. I love this scent so much. Next up, we got Fantasy. Oh, it looks beautiful. And I hope it's like the other one, because if it is, it's gonna be bomb. I am obsessed with these beads. She's definitely thick, not melted at all.
Okay, I'm in love. What is this? Oh my gosh. It's a gummy bear, but it has like all kinds of colors in it. Like beads inside the gummy bears. I don't know if it's just me, but when it comes to a clear base slime, just receiving it not melted is gonna make it 100 times better. I love this. I love this so much. I wish I had it in an 8 ounce. Oh my god, I love it. Next up, we got Cherry Butter Bomb. Okay. Cool. I'm honestly so impressed with her slime, like, not even joking. Down to the cute little pink cherry charm. Cute. Amy, I'm lit. My weave is like an outer space right now. Scalped, honey. It's so good. Last but not least, we got Pop Star, and it is also a cloud. This is so cute. And it has a lollipop charm. Oh, wow. Do y'all see this? This is so pretty. Her cloud slimes are insane. I am obsessed. And that's it for Amy's package. Oh my gosh, I'm honestly shook right now. This is amazing. That was really good.
And that is it for this slime shop review. These shops were so bomb. I honestly don't even know which one was my favorite. I'm gonna make sure to link their shops and Instagrams down below, so go check them out. And if they have any slimes in stock, I suggest scooping some up. Also, I really been wanting to do another giveaway, and I'm planning one soon, so comment down below, what would you like to win in a future giveaway? Do you want slime supplies? Do you want gift cards? Do you want laptops? Let me know in the comments down below. And subscribe to be automatically entered when I start my giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click that like button. Also, comment down below some bomb slime shops that I should know about. Thanks for watching once again. I love y'all, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.